home to a large Persian-Jewish population. Yousef Abad is also known for its namesake Synagogue of Yousef Abad, Sukkot Shalom. The area is filled with fast food eateries, pizzerias, and relaxed cafes, along with many businesses and especially shops. It also hosts the Eyvan Hall and Jahan Cultural Center, the Shahid Dastgheib Public Library, and the Shafagh Cultural Center are highlight of Shafagh Park. I hope you one day go to Yousef Abad. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, the dislike, don't tell me your opinion in the comment and subscribe my YouTube channel. And finally, I hope to see you in the next video.